Serera, Hugan, pass inside. Estrella, 11 dead lays. Bakit is good? Bounce pass inside, stop. And it's Hugan.
Drives. Hugan.
Pinabitan lays. Hugan. Baseball pass, nagaw dito. Works easy, bakit? Kuha ng amulong, Akyu. Floater. Favorite siya. Hello mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Cagayan Intertown Apong League 2024 para sa laban ng Solana at Amulong. And shoutout po kay Captain Ides Headwear para sa mahilig sa caps. Sulit at legit.
Nasa comment section lang yung link mga idol, order na kayo.
Hey, shoutout ko idol. Hey. Fragoso and number 14 nakuha ng Team Solana ulit. May foul agad. At nakuha dito ng Team Amuling na tapik. Fragoso. Pass to Soriano, side step. Pass to the middle. Fragoso. Size drive. Pass to number 16. Amaba for long 3. Ball! Amaba setting the play. Amaba points corner 3. Bang! Bulls up. Miss Estrella. Pass to Estrella. Natapikan. Fragoso. Behind the back pass. And it's Hicks. Corner pass. Carrying for 3. Too strong. Silva. Floater shot. Bucket is good. Soriano, pass to the corner, fires on 3. No good. And a baseball pass, nagaw dito. Low works, easy bucket. Pass. It's Biamsu Palpal. Backdoor inbound here, backdoor inbound for Team Solana looking for their server corner pass. Setting at the middle and a drive, stops, corner pass. One, double for 3, bang! Nothing but the... And here's Tumawan, Hicks. Pass on Deeds, alley pass, the bullet pass. And here's Team Amulong. Soriano, pass to Luis, pass to the middle, hook shot. Basket and one, Luis. And drives, kicks out, fires on 3. Oh, no good. And the rebound. Pass to the roof. Nakuha dito ng Team Amulong. Pass to the corner, floater shot off the window. Again, Luis. Back. Pass to natapikan, naagawan. And it's nagmamadali. Tumangga. Oops. Fugan. And a Fugan for 2. Rebound. Nakuha ng Amulong. Akyu, floater. Akyu, favorite shot. And here's Fugan. Drives. Fugan, pinabitan lays. Fugan. Ni Luis. Bounce pass. Nagawan. And here's Fugan. Pass to the corner. Lays. Easy bucket. Sarmiento. Ay, hindi pala. Herrera. Hugan, pass inside. Estrella, 11 dead lays. Bucket is good. That's the end. Bounce pass. Bounce pass gets. And a drive. Number 28. Side step. Supalpal. And a pass break. Oh, it's lays. No good. And there's Lugan. Lucas Hicks. And setting the play right. Corner pass. Pass with possible number 1. Bounce pass and drives, kicks out, fakes, stops, pass inside. And number 24 shot, no good. And rebound by Soriano. Kicks on the corner, fakes. Pull up J of the glass. Yes, sir. Na bounce pass. Fires on 3. Bam! Drip. Soriano. Amaba. One bounce. Kumangga. Reserve. And Soriano. Fires on 3. My foul. And here you go. Number 1, Tumawan. Pass to the middle. Twist to the corner. Pull up J. Bakit is good. Soriano pass to the middle. And a drive. Pagoso reverse layup. Pagoso. Rebound dito for Team Sol. And Tulawan. Pass to the Red Speaks. Pass to the middle. Kicks out. Fires on 3. Off the mark. Rebound. Makukuha dito ni. And there's Baltasar. Pass to Amaba. Corner pass. Fragoso off the glass. Fragoso. Pugan. Drives. Pass on the inside. Fires off the window. Silva. And corners pass. Natapikan. Nakagaw. Number 5. Binitbit. Oh! Pinabalik pa! Grabe si Estrella doon! The middle. Soriano. Pull up jumper. Free throw area. Bakit is good? And is Soriano. And pass to number 3. Corner pass. Pass to the middle. Nakagawan. Is Silva. Na-recover. Pass to Nakagawan. Bounce pass. Pass inside. Solve. Oh! Herrera nagmamadali. Herrera straight to the hoops. Bakit is good? And there's Akio. Pitch nagkatapikan. And oops. Bounce pass. Akio for 3. Off the mark. Rebound. Fades away. Bakit is good? Akio. Kasi for 3 off the mark. Akio. Floater. Bakit? Floater. And yes. Pugan side step. Fires off the glass. Pugan. Akio. Oop. 7 seconds. For long 3. Bang! At the buzzer. End of the... Akio, pass to the corner, Amaba. Mid of the corner here for Amaba. Holds the ball, drives. Pass to Doob, natapikan. And nauna si Idol. Pascual, tumatic, kumibitin, wala. Rebound, bumangga. Oops, natapikan. And pass break, nauna na. Ang bilis naman. Baltasar. And Bulan. Pass to Fugan. Pass to the corner. Fires on 3. Off the mark. Amaba. Pass to Baltasar. Pass to Akio. Pass on the inside. Extra pass. Spins. Bumalik. Fires off the window. Bakit is good? Fugan crosses the mid lane. Pass to the mid of the corner. Dumerecho. Lace. No good. And still the rebound. Pass to the middle. One bounce. And pass inside. Fake scratch. So palpal ang inabot. Herrera. Pass to number 10. Bulan. Natapikan. Naagawan. And pass to Baltasar again. Baltasar off the glass. Pass to number 7. Baltasar. Pass to Akio. Natapikan. Nauna na. And binitbit easy. Bakit? Soriano, pass to number 7, Baltasar, pass back Soriano, Baltasar for 3, bang, Baltasar, in the corner, and a drive, side step, pass, delivers, click, pass up a floater, bakit is good, to number 7, Baltasar, long 3, off the mark, here's number 14, for Team Solana, Fugan, floater, bakit is good, Soriano, pull up J, no good. Rebound. Number 1. Pass side step, pinasa sa gitna. Move, extra pass, fires off the glass, basket and 1. And pass it. And a drive. Tao ng bola. And a long pass. Drizzlies. Oh, bagat for 2. Traffic na pass. And here. 3 on 2. Fragoso pumabitin. Bakit for 2. And Fugan. Pass to number 1. Drive. Speaks. Click space. Fires off the glass. Wala. Rebound. Spins. One bounce. Fakes. Clutch fire. No good. Fragoso. And nakalusot. Takes reverse layup. Soriano. And here's Team Solano. Pass to number 14. Pasqua. No look pass. Corner 3. Bang! 3 points. Bull. Here's Soriano. Soriano stop. Launches on 3. Bang! Soriano. And here's Fragoso. Pass to Akio. Long. Baget. Again. And Estrella. Pass to number 4-3. Bang! 3. Amaba, long pass. Is Luis of the glass. For the inbound, looking for the receiver. Pass to Fragoso. Fragoso kicks on the corner. Agawan. And here you go, corner pass. Pass to the middle, floater shot, easy bucket. And here's corner pass. Amaba. Reverse layup, Amaba. Pass to Fortinaccio. Corner pass, launches 3. Bang! 3! Estrel, pass to number 6. Full gun. Pass to number 19, pass inside. First pull up J, no good. Put back, wala pa rin. Rebound, put back. Basket and 1, Fugan. And Amaba. Amaba, pass in the inside. Fires off the window. Bucket for 2. Amaba. Amaba. Pass to Liban, long 3. No good rebound. Floater, wala pa rin. Rebound pa rin. Kuha ni Estrella. Estrella drives. Pass inside. Off the glass. Bucket's good. Estrella. Pass to Fugan. Fugan drives to the middle. No look pass to the corner. Fires. Bucket is good. And fakes corner. 3. Off target rebound. For the inbound here, Fugan. And long pass for 3, so Palpal. And a pass break. Amaba. Plays Besser. Bucket for 2. Tulawan. Tulawan. Pass hits number 26. Outer easy bucket. Amaba. Pass to the middle. Long pass. And Baltasar. Pass to Amaba. Corner. Baltasar. Nadali. Long 3. Congratulations. Amulong.